Hey guys. Yeah. No potatoes here. Yeah. Recap. I have no idea why I'm making this video. Oh yeah, I'm learning Japanese. If you can't tell, it's all over my arm. If you're in school or something, or if I randomly show you pictures, I am writing Japanese all over my arm, trying to learn it. Yeah, so it was Valentine's Day yesterday. Happy Valentine's Day. You guys tell me what you did. I have nothing really to say because I sat in my house and literally just hung out with my brother. Nope. I literally just hung out with my brother. My hair is horrible today. I literally just hung out with my brother, forced him to give me the Chromebook, and yeah, I didn't do anything yesterday really, but yeah, no, single people, and a lot of kids don't do anything during this thing called Valentine's Day. Yeah. I'm reading a new book called The Book Thief, which I'm pretty much just forced to read because my teacher assigned us a book report, and that's a book that I chose to read, but you can't read mangas or anything. Yeah. Oh yeah, I got bored, so I put eyeliner on my face. Now I'm a cat. Yeah. But you guys can tell me what you did on Valentine's Day, what your favorite part. What's your favorite holiday? You guys should tell me, like, and also what video I should do next, because I have no life and I just sit in my house listening to music, and most of my friends can't hang out during the weekend. I'm sitting in my house doing nothing, and yeah, it's a pretty sad life. But you guys like, subscribe, favorite. If you want, leave a comment down below saying what your favorite holiday is, what you did on Valentine's Day, if you did anything. Not like me, like I didn't do anything. I sat in my house eating ice cream like a regular person would do if they were single and they didn't have anyone. I don't really care anymore. I'm single. Don't care. But yeah, like, subscribe, favorite, comment. Bye.